A reduced engine power message on your Chevy Silverado 2500HD is often caused by a blown or leaking intercooler charge pipe. Replacing the cracked factory plastic pipe with a heavy-duty aftermarket pipe restores your boost pressure and clears the limp mode instantly. The factory cold-side charge pipe on the Duramax engine is notorious for failing. The plastic boot degrades under constant heat and high boost cycles. Once a crack forms, pressurized air escapes before reaching the engine. This massive boost leak forces the engine computer into limp mode to prevent internal damage. You will immediately feel a severe loss of acceleration. To diagnose this, open the hood and inspect the driver's side of the engine bay. Look directly below the air intake assembly. You are looking for the large tube connecting the intercooler to the intake manifold. Run your hand along the underside of the pipe and feel for oily residue. Oil buildup is a guaranteed sign of a split pipe or a failed internal O-ring seal. Removing the old pipe requires a flathead screwdriver and a specialized pick tool. Pop the retaining clips on both the upper throttle valve and the lower intercooler connections. Wiggle the pipe free from the boots. Be careful not to drop any debris down into the intercooler. Install a heavy-duty aluminum or reinforced silicone charge pipe. These will not crack under heavy towing loads. Snap the new locking rings securely into the factory grooves. Clear the engine codes with your diagnostic tool and test drive the truck.